The Gibbs Free Energy Interactive Calculator solves thermodynamic spontaneity problems using multiple calculation approaches. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate dg from dH, ds, and t, calculate dg from standard formation energies, calculate dg from dg and reaction quotient, calculate temperature for dg equals 0, calculate dH from dg, ds, and t, or calculate ds from dg, dH, and t. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate dg from dH, ds, and t. Enter your enthalpy change dH in kilojoules per mole, entropy change ds in joules per mole Kelvin, and temperature T in Kelvin. Here's a worked example. I'll input 10 for enthalpy change, 10 for entropy change, and 10 Kelvin for temperature. After clicking Calculate, the results show Gibbs free energy dg equals 9.90 kilojoules per mole. The spontaneity indicates non-spontaneous with dg positive, meaning this reaction won't proceed forward under these conditions. The equilibrium constant K equals 1.931 times 10 to the negative 52, an extremely small value confirming the reaction strongly favors reactants. This calculator streamlines complex thermodynamic calculations for process design. Find the link in the description below.